Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add coins to your watch list on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Google, your Apple account, or your email address and your password to log in. Now, after you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage from which you can see various different assets and their prices. Now, if you wish to add any currency or coin to your watch list, then first of all, right from the homepage, go ahead and tap on watch lists. Now, from the watch list page, you will be able to tap on the plus icon or the add coins icon, and you can directly start searching for your coin that you want to add to your watch list. Simply scroll down or tap on the search box and enter your coin, and you will be able to find your coin. Go ahead and tap on your coin, and you can also select multiple coins based on your need. Just choose whichever coins you want to add to your watch list and then tap on the selected coins option. And now you will see that your watch list has successfully been created and the coins that you selected have just been added. You can also create multiple watch lists by tapping on the plus icon alongside your coin watch list. And you can also change its name from the more options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add coins to watch lists on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.